So guys, to be continued. Okay, let's continue. Header. We have the header, then we have the contents, then we have the product. Suppose this is the bearing or packaging specification. So this is the hierarchy. Labels we have, and we have the elements group. Elements group contains elements. Elements contains packaging material. Packaging material contains steps. Steps means work steps. And suppose this is a bearing packet. Outside, this is the bearing is your packaging material. We are going to pack, and this is the elements box, and this is the outer box also. We like differentiate with the size, with the type of the element groups. So here we have the product is the bearing level 1, level 2, level 3. So this is the level 1 I will consider when I pack this here in the plastic. Level 2 auxiliary, level 3 in the outer box. So level 1, level 2, level 3. Let's continue with the steps. Let's continue with the steps. To be continued from let's continue from the 11th number. Step 11 number. We are going to continue. Packaging specification. In extended warehouse management. So point number 11, what we are going to do, I will note it down the points and I will explain. In the point 11, we maintain label set to the packaging specification group. Maintain label set to the packaging specification group. Okay, this is the point number 11. Label set we need to maintain the packaging specification group. So in the bracket I will put label set we need to maintain in the packaging specification group. Okay, then 12th point, maintain packaging work step, and we do in the maintain packaging work steps, maintain packaging work steps we do in the T code / supply chain warehouse management packaging specification work step. Then in 13th point we maintain label element group. Means divide the work in the group. See the here, and different types of elements, and when we create the packaging specification, then first time we create the element group, and the next system creates automatically the new element group in the system. Okay, so this is the reusable. We call in the T code /n/ SCWM / PSEG packaging specification group. G means group, PSE means packaging specification. Here I will put packaging specification. the point 14. If all these steps are completed, then we create the packaging specification, create the packaging specification. Last moment, if everything is fine, then we create packaging specification. T code is SCWM pack spec. This comes last, pack spec, okay? Then 15 point, packaging material type. I have the packaging material type. I will put in the packaging material. BOX01, and we have the handling unit box 1, okay. I will take the HU, the type of box, okay. So I will take here BOX, this is the HU. So then we do the configuration in the system step by step. And so this is the brief intro about the how we pack the material to pick from the different two storage types, and then we pick from the edges, from the cases, and put in the final handling unit, send this handling unit to the customers. And how we, after picking each and every shampoo bottle, how we pack into the different small boxes, and that type of multiple 10 small boxes, how we pack in a big box, and that type of big